Okay, guys. So, headline news: if you haven't heard, OpenAI, that makes ChatGPT, just announced they're releasing something called Sora, and Sora is going to give you the ability to type in text and create an AI video instantly. So, like, this is like next level stuff. So, anyways, I thought, you know what? How about I break down the copy on their website? Because why not, right? So let's just go for it. We're going to use the 4Ps framework. I've shared this with the last two, but this is promise, picture, proof, and push. So those 4Ps, you can basically structure any copy with those. And I'm gonna break down their copy on the site and just go through and I'll give them a score and tell them what I think about their copy, and you'll get to learn some things. So let's go. So first up is promise. So this is basically your headline or your offer. So creating video from text. So that's their headline. Creating video from text. And then they have a subheadline. Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. It's very clear to understand what this is. You know what? They absolutely should have a better headline though. I am pretty surprised. Even the saying like creating video from text, they should say they should have said create video from text. They could have said create video from text instantly. They could have said create incredible videos from text instantly with AI. Create video from text with AI. Like any one of those would have done better than just creating video from text. Like they just announced this for the first time. They need a better headline. The subheadline helps them out a bit, obviously, because it goes into what it is. Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instructions. So it tells you what it is. But yeah, I feel like this is a missed opportunity. Like they could have definitely juiced this up a little. But at least they're telling you what it is, right? They're promising you create video from text with AI, imaginative scenes. The part I really like though is right here. All videos on this page were generated directly by Sora without modification. So this dives into point P3, which is proof. But I love that they said this right away. And so anyways, let's dive in. So we just covered promise. Now we're gonna go into picture. And so let's see what they say next. We're teaching AI to understand and simulate the physical world in motion with the goal of training models that help people to solve problems that require real world interaction. Introducing Sora, our text to video model. Sora can generate videos up to a minute long while maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. This is pretty nice, like explainer text. And I get it, they're still in process. This product isn't released, but I feel like they could hype this up a little bit more. Like this is insane what they're able to do with this already, and what we're going to be able to do. The thing that they do really well though is their visuals. Obviously, there's so much both in picture and the proof, 2Ps. So picture is the copy that helps you picture how this product works for you. And so they kind of do that here. Text to video model, generate videos up to a minute long. So they're covering picture here really well. And the proof, this is where you can implement social proof or whatever kind of proof of this. The fact that they at the top said, all videos on this page were generated directly by Sora without modification. This is proof in itself. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know why they would make that up, And, also with a brand like OpenAI, like they're massive. So I said this with other ones before, with mega brands, they don't need to show as much proof like testimonials or case studies compared to smaller brands like you're going to have to do. But, they still do a good job of showing proof. Like this is nuts. Like the videos speak for themselves and outweigh even the copy. Even if their copy, which I already am looking at, I'm like, it's decent, but it could be better. Their videos and the proof of their product far outshines their, mediocre to all right copy. So yeah, so far, like really, really impressed with overall their website and just how they're showing off their product visually, and backing it up. Like they're telling you this is the prompt we entered: historical footage of California during the gold rush. So they're both showing you how to use the product, and then they're backing up with proof. You know what I mean? So this is actually really, really good on picture and proof. They've done a really good job. So now the next final P is push. And the final P is if you know a bit about copywriting, you're probably going to guess that has something to do with pushing the reader to take action. So this is where you want a call to action. So far, I do not see a call to action. I don't see what the next step is. So far, like at this point, they should have had at least two buttons telling you what to do. Okay, Sora, that's the name of the thing. Cool. This is where they fail. Like I don't know why. Yeah, they have ChatGPT up there, but we're talking about Sora here, and they don't have a single call to action on this entire page. Like at the very least, they literally could have just got people to join a waiting list. Like join a waiting list to hear more and receive updates. Like these guys are making like hundreds of millions, billions of dollars. Like I don't know, but they absolutely should. This is a huge missed opportunity. You know, like why aren't they collecting emails and asking people like join the waiting list, like hear about updates for free as we build this out, and like be the first to know when we launch. Join our email list, and they can easily create a segment in their email backend for everybody who's interested. So that to me is the biggest missed opportunity, and I'm actually really surprised that they didn't do a better job of this for the hype launch. So like them just doing the announcement. But anyways, that's I'd probably give them a 2 out of 4. They did a really good job with the picture and the proof, but their promise and their push, they didn't do a good job on. And either way, when they launch this thing, it's going to blow up no matter what, and we know that. But yeah, overall, like OpenAI, I don't know who your copywriters are, but man, you guys need to do a little more work here, a little more effort. You could have made this way crazier, honestly. But yeah, that's my critique using the 4 Ps: promise, picture, proof, and push for OpenAI and their new text to video